I hope that you watched our video on how the Sonos Ace headphones beat the premium AirPods Max with its new features and affordable price. So in today's video, let's see how the Sonos Ace will stack up against the all-time best over-ear headphone, the Sony WH-1000XM5. We'll be diving deep into their features, design, sound quality, and more to help you decide which pair is the better investment for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sonos Ace comes in at a hefty $449 price tag, which is quite steep for a first-generation product. On the other hand, the Sony XM5 was initially priced at $399, but can often be found for around $250 due to frequent sales and discounts. This already gives Sony a significant edge in terms of affordability. If you're budget conscious, the Sony XM5 is likely to be more appealing, especially with its competitive pricing during sales events. So, for price, the Sony XM5 is the clear winner due to its lower cost and frequent discounts. Moving on to design, the Sonos Ace boasts a minimalist aesthetic that's both sleek and unobtrusive. The anti-fingerprint coating on the ear cups keeps them looking clean, and the subtle Sonos logo adds a touch of elegance. However, some users with larger heads and ears reported that they found the Ace a bit snug, causing discomfort over extended periods. On the other hand, the Sony XM5 also embraces a minimalist design, with smooth edges and concealed hinges, giving it a polished look. Both models fold flat for easy storage, but the Sony's design includes recycled plastics, without compromising on the premium feel. So, for design, it's a bit of a tie depending on your preferences for aesthetics and comfort, but the Sony XM5 might edge out slightly for its broader comfort appeal. When it comes to features, the Sonos Ace opts for physical buttons over touch controls, which some might find more reliable and intuitive. It supports Bluetooth 5.4, aptX lossless, and Apple's ALAC codecs for high-quality audio. However, it lacks support for Wi-Fi pairing and next-gen codecs like Auracast and LE Audio. One standout feature is the TV audio swap, allowing you to listen to your Sonos Arc soundbar privately through the Ace headphones. Meanwhile, the Sony XM5 includes a robust set of features from its predecessors, such as DSEE Extreme, LDAC support, Quick Attention, and Speak to Chat. The XM5 also supports Bluetooth multipoint, enabling seamless switching between two devices, which is incredibly convenient for multitasking. So, in terms of features, the Sony XM5 wins for its more comprehensive and practical set of functionalities. Now, let's discuss sound quality. Unfortunately for Sonos, this is where the Ace falls short. While the sound is generally pleasant, it lacks the excitement and clarity that one would expect at this price point. The bass tends to overshadow finer details, resulting in a somewhat muddled sound. On the other hand, the Sony XM5 delivers exceptional clarity, dynamic range, and precision. Whether you're listening to complex rhythms or subtle melodies, the XM5 excels in providing a rich and immersive audio experience. So, for sound quality, the Sony XM5 is the standout winner with its superior clarity and dynamic sound. In terms of noise cancellation, the Sonos Ace offers basic ANC functionality, with modes for full ANC, aware, and off. However, it doesn't quite match up to the industry-leading noise cancellation of the Sony XM5. Sony's headphones use 8 microphones to adaptively optimize noise cancellation based on your environment, effectively silencing a wider range of frequencies. This makes the XM5 a superior choice for those who prioritize peace and quiet. So, for noise cancellation, the Sony XM5 is the better choice due to its advanced and highly effective ANC capabilities. So, what's the final verdict? While the Sonos Ace shows promise as a first-gen product with its sleek design and innovative features like TV audio swap, it ultimately falls short in key areas such as sound quality and noise cancellation. The Sony XM5, with its proven track record, superior sound, and advanced noise cancellation, emerges as the clear winner. Plus, considering the XM5 is often available at a significantly lower price, it offers better value for money. So, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech tips. Let us know in the comments which headphones you prefer, or if there's another model you'd like us to compare. See you in the next video.